Go.
Honored guests, teachers, principals, and dear graduates, good morning. Every person has their own way of defining the real meaning of beauty. Ulit ba?
Sige. Sige lang, continue lang. Wala tong cut.
Umpisa?
Pwede rin. Basta, basta tuloy-tuloy lang, kahit na magkamali ka.
One. Okay na ba?
Mhm.
Honored guests, teachers, principals, and dear graduates, good morning. Every person has their own way of defining the real meaning of beauty. It could be based on appearance, its impact, or its main composition. And since it was that way, I want to express the real beauty for me. I am a child of God, a person with perfect, happy life, yet a person whose weakness was never a cause of failure. And let me start my inspirational message. When I was in grade 1, or shall I say, in beginning of learning, at first, I don't want to go to school because I want to play more than to attend my class. But my tatay told me that, anak, kailangan mag-aral para umasenso. And that time, I realized that I need to study more than to play. Many challenges come on my way on the first year of my studying, but it is not hindrance to continue my dreams. When the school year ends, I am the top two of the class, but suddenly I cannot attend the recognition day because I didn't even know that I belong to the outstanding students of the class. But I am really happy that time because I was belong to the outstanding students of the class. Ay,
Wait lang.
parang na...
Pakiulit po yung I was belong. I belonged.
I belong nga.
I belonged.
Nasaan na ba binabasa ko dapat?
Sige lang po, continue lang po yung ano.
I belong to the outstanding students of the class. But I am really happy that... Ano? Okay. Nagulo pala yung basa ko.
Okay.
Gulo, sulat ko eh. I belong to the outstanding students of the class. But I am really happy this time because it was the first time, first award... Ay, mali. Ah, I belong ulit. I belong to the outstanding students of the class. But I am really happy that time because it was the first outstanding award that I have.
I had.
I had pala. Tama. Bilis na naman. Ha?
Ano?
Correct na naman yung ano ko ah.
Hindi ko
Grammar
alam.
ko ah. Try mo.
Alin ba? Sana.
I belong to the outstanding students of the class. But I am really happy that time because it was the first outstanding award that I had. My elementary days or years was so unforgettable. I experienced bullying by my classmates.
Bullied.
Bullied ba?
Bullied.
Ano ba yan? Ayoko na nga.
Ulit na
Ay,
ano.
tama, bullied.
Bullied. Bullied by my classmates.
Doon na ako. Oh.
I experienced, ano yan? In my elementary.
My elementary days or years was so unforgettable. I experienced bullied by my classmates, faced many challenges, and of course, I experienced to have many friends. On the next chapter of my life, which is the high school life, at first, I am afraid to go to school because I thought that it was hard and I don't know what to do. But when the school year starts, realization hit me. That time, wala palang dapat ikatakot because you can learn and do many things. First year in high school, I attained the top two of the class, and I was really happy because I proved to myself that I can face the high school life. Second year high school, when my auntie started to support me on my financial needs. At that time, I transferred to Liceo de Pulilan College's semi-private school. That time, I said to myself that panibagong pakisama na naman. But then, I learned how to be friendly with my fellow students. I became top tier of the class and I was really overwhelmed because I can prove to myself and to my auntie that she cannot regret what she gave to me. Third year high school when my mom started to work again after 4 years for giving birth to my youngest brother. After class, I went to her work to help her. Sometimes I want to give up and cry because I never thought that at a young age I experienced to work with my mother to earn money. But I know God had purpose why he gave the challenges to me. I said to myself that I need to study hard for my family to give them a wonderful life. I graduated in high school with a smile on my face, and I'm proud because finally I graduated on the second chapter of my life. Even though that I am not a outstanding student, I said to myself, 4 years to go, which is college. Before I entering college, I took an entrance examination, but unluckily, I cannot pass to my first choice, which is BS Accountancy. But Lord is good to me because I passed to my second choice, which is BS Mathematics, major in Business Application. Many trials and challenges, but I always think to my mind that every trial that I faced was only challenge to me.